Hey everyone, so if you keep adding the same event again and again in Google Calendar, yeah, there's a much easier way. I'll show you how to create recurring events so everything repeats automatically. First, open Google Calendar and click Create, or select a time slot. Now enter your event title, date, and time. Next, click the Does Not Repeat option to open recurrence settings. Choose a pattern like daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. For more control, use the custom option to set specific days or end dates. You can also add guests, meeting links, or descriptions. Now click Save and your event will repeat automatically. If needed, you can edit one event or all future events in the series. And that's it. Now you know how to create recurring events in Google Calendar and save time